YouTube. All right, man. Glass. All right, so Project G20 back. And, one of my issues was this mirror here was cracked up when I bought it, so I couldn't really see out of it to make a left lane turn or, switch lanes to the left. Looks like it was broken. The guy said it broke supposedly by a homeless man, but I just took off the remaining, but it looked like he had some glue on there, so I don't know if he picked up the pieces and tried to glue back what he had, but this is it. I just took it off. I had ordered off of eBay. Here's the company right here, Burco Automotive Repair Solutions. Basically, left-hand driver's side mirror replacement. So here it is. Basically, it's going to be attached with some adhesive on each side. So we'll see how it works. Some self-sticky. But I need to do something because, yeah, it's kind of tricky sometimes as far as you got to turn your head to look, switch lane, because couldn't really see anything out of that mirror. But we're going to put this on and see what it do. All right, so basically comes with some adhesive. Take them off the paper here. I did 3 of them. Comes with 4 strips. There we go. Got your adhesive on there. I'm going to fix it up a little bit, but what you're going to do is come over here. It's going to fit to the mirror. Of course, make sure you got the right side and all that stuff. So do a test fit to make sure you got it in the right order. Oops. But basically that's it. I'm gonna press it on a little bit more, but now I got a side view working again. So I went from this to bam, I can see again. Let's go inside. Oh yeah. We're gonna be good. Now I can switch lanes without having to take my eyes off the road too much. See what's beside me and go about my business. All right, YouTube, that's it for today. Project G20, got the mirror fixed. We're still working on the AC. Still need to work on the oil leak. And then after that, man, probably try to get this thing some wheels. Got the tint done. That was a cosmetic. Wheels will probably be the next thing, but of course, just getting the other things worked out. Oil leak, AC, got the mirror. All right, YouTube, see you next time.